Alright guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I have been able to turn $500 into 6 figs over the last couple of months. So basically what this is Axiom.trade, Axiom Pro as people say, and this is the main trading terminal. There's no other trading terminal like this at the moment. And so basically I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set this up, how to use the right filters, the right things to make sure that your trading experience is very, very simple. So basically what we're going to start to do, we're going to go to start trading. If you already have a Phantom wallet, you can connect Phantom wallet based off that. If not, you can do, you can either sign in with email, make sure you're using code CASH for 10% off your fees, or you can continue with an account. So what we're going to do is we're going to sign in with a Google account because it's one of the easiest ways to do that. We're going to allow this right here up at the top. This is basically allow, so anytime you copy a CA, you can just come over and you'll be able to use it. And so it'll just show you the last updates that it's had. And so basically you're on the platform, right? You're starting out, you have nothing here. You have your portfolio, your wallets, where you can import any wallet that you have and use that, as well as just creating a new wallet or group. You have Vision, which basically shows you the top KOLs at the time, either 1 day, 7 day, 3 day, 14 or 30. You'll see Scented, Deku, Clux. These are some of the main traders. You can see this dude's making, like in the last 30 days, he's made $120,000. This guy in the last 30 days, $400,000. All right. Yield, you are able to basically invest and earn money on your things, as well as perpetuals. You can do things like Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, Hype, other things like that with extreme amounts of leverage. Over here on the trackers, you will see you have wallet manager, so you can add wallets to here, as well as you can see live trades. You can manage it and you can see what coins they're buying in, as well as you can add KOLs from that list. As well, you'll have your Twitter, and you can basically add and subtract different people on Twitter. This is really, really good for knowing exactly what's going on. There's a lot of coins that involve you being able to see everything. We're going to go over to Discover, and Discover is going to be showing you either the top tokens, trending tokens, the tokens that are surging in price. It'll also show you the main things that are running on Dex Screener, as well as Pump Live, and you'll see all these people that are going live streaming for their own token. And guys, make sure to go like, subscribe, and share this with your friends to make sure that they are set and they know exactly how to set up Axiom and other things like that perfectly. And what we'll do is we're going to go on the main platform, and what I like to do is go on to Pulse. So what you can do is you'll see all of this, right? What I like to do is I'll give you the filters right now. What you're going to want to do is unselect all, right? You want to add this, add all of pump.fun. I'm going to add bonk as well as mayhem. We'll even add bags and moonshot. And right now that is maybe the only things, if you're a new beginner, to add. What you'll do next is go to audit. I'm going to start out, I'm going to say you want to go with 10 minimum viewers, and as well, I would even suggest that you go over to metrics. You're going to go to global fees paid, put that into 0.1, because exactly what that does is it will minimize all bots and very botted accounts, botted users, and things like that. All right. I'm going to take this off of my audit, which is pro traders. You can even leave that at like 5 if you really want to. I don't choose to do that. And then what we're going to do is you're going to click on final stretch. I'm going to delete all of this, reset this. Same protocols as I said before, unselect all, collect, boom, 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 mayhem, bags. I would actually remove mayhem. You're going to do bonk, and you're also going to do moonshot. For our audit for this, you're going to want to do at least 25 minimum viewers. So you're just not seeing this slop that comes out, especially if you're a new trader. It's definitely hard to learn without that. As well as you're going to go over here. You want to make it so you go over to metrics. Same thing as I did before, but global fees paid 0.5. Over here on socials, you can choose if you want to do a certain amount of Twitter followers, Twitter reuses, Twitter age, or if you just want at least one social, or if you want to make sure that there's Pump Live enabled, you can totally do that as well. All right, as we go over to migrated, you'll see migrated metrics. I like to make it so I'm not seeing all of the filth. So we're gonna do minimum market cap of 10,000. As well as we're gonna go over to our audit. We're gonna do at least 5 visitors just so I'm not seeing all the dead coins. And pro traders, let's leave that at 20, even maybe 50 would be a good amount to start with. Socials, you probably want to do at least 1 social for that, and you're going to click apply all. So now you'll see a lot of the amount that's popped up right here. A lot of filth has been removed from my eyes. A lot of less tokens that you have to sift through and look through based off those view counts and how many people are really actually looking at that coin on Axiom. But what I want to make sure that you guys do is click on a coin. What you're going to want to do is click on the preset right here. So you'll see preset. You're going to click on preset. You see where it says this? So I want you to click on auto fee. Make this auto fee 0.0001. All right. As well, if you go over to sell settings, do the same thing with the auto fee. Turn that on. Make your amount 0.0001. And that is exactly what you want to do to make sure that you are not paying too many fees on your transactions. This will work for most people as long as you're not trying to speed through it too quickly. You have your instant trade, which I like to have up if you connect whichever wallet you have. So if you have another wallet, you can like select a different one. You don't have to use your Axiom main wallet. And yeah, guys, so that is the first video of showing you exactly how you can set up your Axiom account. And on the next video, we will go into some trading tips and exactly what I like to look for when I'm finding new coins. So guys, this has been Axiom Pro. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you use my link down in the description. Save 10% off your fees. That's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. And guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. That will also be in the description, as well as my TG call channel. I call out a lot of great stuff in there, as well as have a lot of voice chats and learning opportunities for you guys to make sure that you guys earn a lot of money trading. If you're trading on pump.fun, I highly recommend you switch to Axiom. Guys, this is the way. This is the best method for you to be able to get early entries onto really good coins and to see everything with a little bit of a clearer perspective. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay lit. I'll see you all in the next one.